And we human beings or people, we are the only one who can carry the spirit. So for spirit to work here on earth, they need a physical body. That's why you see that when the time uh, Joshua wanted to go and fight the Amorites and the Amalekites, you see that Moses told Joshua to go and assemble the soldiers, but Moses and Aaron and Hur, they ascended the top mountain, Mount Sinai. And the Bible says when Moses was lifting up hands, you see that Joshua was receiving victory. But when Moses' hand became tired, you see that Joshua started to lose battle. And you see that when they saw that the victory, the battle has become very tough. So Joshua, Caleb, no, Aaron and Hur came and held the hand of Moses, one on the right side and another on the left side.